going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the new Rototo book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And like I stated, the Fed is not done. Remember, I stated late June, early July. That's when we start getting a much bigger pullback. But right now, Bitcoin is just making higher lows. And we see the Bitcoin dominance dropping because we see Ethereum, even though Ethereum today has about 730 million worth of options that will expire, I do see it pulling back a little tonight. And we see Ethereum's dominance has risen to 19%. And we saw altcoins take off the past few months. And I definitely see altcoins bleeding out over the next few months. Remember, guys, right now, at this current point, we are just in a speculation market. So I definitely see all cryptos pulling back, stocks pulling back, like I stated, late June, early July. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. They always tell us which way the market is going. Plus, we know the Fed has the 50 billion. Make sure you go to the app to see what they're doing on a daily basis to manipulate yields. Plus, we know Janet Yellen's fund runs out, that general fund runs out in June, and we see the Fed has not done anything new. So we know they're going to let inflation run wild. Yields going higher. We know the only fix they have for inflation is to raise interest rates. We know they can raise interest rates on a $7 trillion balance sheet. We see a lot of narratives that are being built up for this pullback. Remember, they have to have a distraction. Remember to keep your eye on Grayscale. Remember, the lockup period ends late June, early July. Plus, we have Elon Musk has become the manipulator. It was Trump. Trump could swing the stock market back and forth. Now we have Elon Musk who can swing the crypto market back and forth. But we really know who it is. It's the Fed. But of course, he's the puppet they're using as a tool. But we did see Nano, HBAR, Energy Web token get a temporary benefit from that actual tweet, guys. Also, we have Cardano still making moves. We know how important Cardano is going to be in the actual scheme of things also, especially if you understand AGI, Singularity Net, and the paradigm shift is actually coming. And guys, don't forget, of course, we're here now for the weekend. Get yourself in position. I do see us moving up just a little. Remember, we have back on the 20th, and also we have CME. So we're definitely, over these next 2 weeks, guys, we're going to have a lot of pumps and dumps. I do not see when we get to back, I don't see us having a big pullback like we did last month just because we've already pulled back. But I definitely see a big pullback with CME at the end of the month on the 28th. I definitely see a big dump unless we see some other type of manipulation. Now let's get over into a little crypto news. Now we have Coinbase announces that it will list Dogecoin. Now guys, when is the last time that Coinbase has told us that they're going to be listing a coin 2 months in advance? We know in 2 months we're going to be in the heart of an actual bear market, so nobody's going to care. We know in these bear markets it is painful. Only thing you have to do is go to the NASDAQ and look at all the tech stocks that we know they're going to make it, but they're getting drained, beat up. And when this happens, retail investors run. They don't want to take the pain. They want that instant gratification, that instant money. That's not investing, guys. That's betting. We also have Coinbase announcing they're going to be listing new projects, plus some with no volume. And we know where that's coming from. Remember, all their money comes from fees. They want to get more money from fees, especially going into the bear market. We see their numbers in a bear market. There's no way they could have went public. So what are they going to do? Take a page out of Binance. That's right. Now we have Spanish Stock Exchange ready to test blockchain-based small and medium enterprise financing system. And remember, guys, they tested this last year. Now we know that everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have Williston, a city in North Dakota, has partnered with BitPay to now accept crypto payments for utilities. As crypto become more seamless, they're going to get a benefit in order to use crypto over any other payment system. Remember, the crypto teacher advised you. Only thing they have to do and incentivize you to do that. The same thing with automatic payments. Majority of them give you $1 off, $2 off, some type of discount in order to do auto payments. Same thing goes with crypto. They're going to incentivize people to move over to that. And of course, for millennials and Generation Z, that's going to be easy for them. Of course, when you're looking at the baby boomers, older generation, it's harder to get them over. But remember, this new technology is not for the older generation. It's always looking ahead for the newer generation, the ones that are not thinking the consequences, what's going to happen at the end. Now we have Binance faces a probe with U.S. money laundering and IRS. Do I believe this? No, I do not, guys. Remember, they're just building up narrative. We know these exchanges work with the central banks. And lastly, guys, we have DBS launches bank-backed crypto trust service in Asia first. And guys, we know Society 5.0. And where was Society 5.0 planned out at? That's right, San Francisco. Please go check out my Society 5.0 videos. We know we gave all the money to China to build this fourth industrial revolution. That's the reason why they're leading us there. They was not added in the basket of currencies for any reason. The IMF, of course, is going to be in total control. But just like the United States has always been the puppet, China is going to be the head puppet. The fall of Babylon. Remember, when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Do not forget Crypto Teacher Stocks. Go like and subscribe. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks of C-Red, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.